what's going on, guys? Alright, you know, I'm making this video because this is what you guys said you guys wanted to see. You guys said you guys want to see weekly updates on my progress, you know. I'm going to tell you guys now, I don't have much progress because of how low I cut my hair. You know, I think, what was it? Like, it was a 3 against the grain. So, it was pretty low. So, I'm just basically in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm brushing to get my 360 swirl, you know, since I completely have no waves now, nothing at all. So, I'm going to show you guys how I've been brushing. I'm going to show you what it's looking like, even though there's not much to look at. So, try not to get on me too much about that. But, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so this is basically what's going on, okay? I got my mirror. I don't know why I have my mirror to show you guys this, because there's nothing to show you guys. So, I mean, I guess this is just to keep me in frame, I guess. But, look, nothing. My hair's still too low. Still too low to get to its curl length. You know what I'm saying? I've been brushing. I've still been brushing, even though it's too low. I mean, I feel like I'm almost there to getting ripples. Maybe that'll probably happen next week because, I mean, hey, if you guys did not know this, your hair grows every single day. And rest is important when you're trying to get to your curl length, okay? I feel like it's really important to get some sleep, alright? I know sometimes you guys like staying up, y'all like playing Fortnite or whatever the heck y'all playing, alright? Or just being on YouTube watching my videos.
No, son.
But you know what? Sleep is important, okay? That's if you guys really want to get your hair growing to its curl length or whatever, I'm telling you guys, it's important. It's important to get some sleep because your hair grows more in your sleep, okay? So really get some sleep. Keep using the castor oil, curl enhancer smoothie. Keep using those to enhance the curls. I've been using curl enhancer smoothie personally. I stopped using the oil about 3 or 4 days, and then I switched over to curl enhancer smoothie because I saw pretty consistent growth in my hair. I mean, I guess I could do a comb back. There's really not much to comb back, as you guys can see. I mean, yeah, there's not really much. There's not really much to comb back, guys. I mean, yeah, it's still pretty short. You know, it's really not. It's not there yet. It's not there yet. But I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I'm brushing in this video. This video should be pretty short. I'm going to try to keep it short for you guys. So basically, yeah, this is just a quick little update video of what's going on. You know, when we get into the ripple stage, I can kind of show you guys the methods that I'm going to be doing and different things like that. And what length to get your hair cut, you know. So, yeah, this is just kind of the stage where I'm basically making most of my subscribers waves and different videos like that. So let me just stop talking and let's go ahead and get into this brush session. like, I just wanted to get, you know, a quick 5-minute brush session in. I don't want to make it too long for you guys. You know, I just kind of had to, like, a lot of you guys have been wondering, like, how I've been brushing. You know, if I really can't follow my pattern, you know, like, your waves help you follow your pattern to make sure you're brushing right. But when you don't have any waves, not even ripples to see, like, if you're brushing correctly, you know, you kind of got to visualize your waves being there and actually, like, really try to get your angles right, you know? Because if you start messing up now, when your waves start coming in, your ripples start coming in, they're going to be all forked up, you know? And it's going to be hard to then get yourself out of that fork stage and really take yourself to the next level. But if you really start getting your angles right, it's going to be really easy to get out that beginner fork stage. And yeah, that's a lot of you guys have been wanting me to make a, you know, update video. So you know what? I just had to make a little update. Ooh, I kicked my camera. But yeah, I just kind of had to make a little quick update video for you guys. You know, showing you guys what's going on, like the progress. Am I even still trying to get waves? Am I even brushing? Of course I'm brushing, guys. Of course I'm actually getting waves. The progress is hopefully going to be coming soon. I'm hoping to get in the ripple stage soon. I'm trying my best. I'm brushing as much as possible. I'm doing everything that I did in the past. I'm doing it again. I'm really just trying to, you know, really focus on my angles. So then when I come back harder than ever. You know, my progress is going to be crazy. Progress is going to be faster than anything you guys ever seen before because I'm putting in that work. So, if you guys are a beginner, if you guys are, you know, in that beginning stage where you guys don't have any ripples at all, your head flat, or if you just have a couple ripples and you guys really want to still, you know, visualize your waves being there, and you're still in that stage of, dang, you know, I really want to get my waves going, patience is key. You got to stay patient, okay? I'm being patient. You guys can be patient too. Take your time, really get in your sessions, really focus on them angles so you can get your angles right, so then when your waves do come, it'd be like muscle memory. So, guys, like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. You know, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below. Because, you know, I love reading you guys' comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and like the video if you like the video. Because why wouldn't you like the video if you actually like the video? Go ahead and drop a comment because you guys already know I love reading you guys' comments down below. And subscribe because you guys already know we're trying to build this channel. We're trying to make this channel even bigger and better than what it is. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I drop a video. Because why wouldn't you guys want to be notified if I'm dropping fire videos? Very informational videos that you guys are going to want to see that is going to make your waves better. That's going to make your progress go crazy. And yeah, so then you guys can go ahead and you guys can stay wavy. And it's 360 Wood.